What do bees and flowers have in common with peanut butter and jelly? They belong together. Stay tuned to find out why crawlspace encapsulation and water drainage go together. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. So it might seem like a smart move, skipping water drainage and going directly into encapsulation. But that encapsulation is likely to fail or need to be removed. And there's a good chance it will become an expensive mistake. In this video, I'll explain what the purpose of encapsulation is, does it drain water, and why water drainage is needed when encapsulating. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. The purpose of encapsulation is to just regulate the moisture that's going to continue to enter your basement or your crawl space. Whether it's the soil releasing the moisture or your basement walls releasing moisture from itself. So the encapsulation is going to do nothing with keeping water from out of underneath your crawl space. That water is just going to sit underneath that encapsulation and over time start to break that down. Whether it's the seams that get sealed up or it's the encapsulation itself, it'll over time start to break that down, allow water intrusion back into your crawl space, making your encapsulation completely irrelevant. So a lot of times, especially in partial crawl spaces and partial basements, you may run into a situation where the crawl space looks really dry and you don't want to do water drainage. You don't want to invest the money into water drainage, have a sump pump in there, right? It's something extra that could fail, or why do I even need to spend money when I don't see a problem? We don't know what the future holds. We don't know what it looks like. So we're coming in with a 25-year warranty with all of our encapsulation, whether that's on your basement wall or in your crawl space. Homes leak with water in 5 years after being built, in 20 years, in 50 years, in 60 years. So we don't know what stage that your home is at, and it could allow that water to enter in underneath your encapsulation. And that's something we want to avoid, because then we have to rip out that investment of the encapsulation to go back in, put that water drainage in, and then put the encapsulation back. So you're paying at least twice as much for encapsulation. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about encapsulation? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawlspace and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.